The inspection request list will be responded to the buyer from the seller in 3 different ways. We have a credit, we have a repair, and we have a price reduction. So a credit would be the seller is giving the buyer money. A price reduction is the price goes from $300,000 to $290,000, and that's the $10,000 credit, but it's not in the form of a credit because the buyer does not have cash in their pocket. It's just coming off the purchase price. A repair would be if the buyer requests something that needs to be repaired and the seller repairs it through the preferred vendor before we close. That is the difference between the 3. We usually are going to have some inspection requests which requires a response, and these are one of the 3 answers of how we will get a response from the seller. So please let me know if you have further questions. My name is Lauren House and I am here for anything else.